Hi friends, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I recently went to the Northwest Flower and Garden Show. It was really cool to see all the amazing designs. I really hope you enjoy these highlights. The first thing I saw were these spring flower beds filled with tulips and daffodils. They smelled incredible. After that, I was greeted by these amazing mannequins. They were gorgeous. Each local florist designed their own, showcasing their unique style. Succulents, ferns, and even a Freydick was used. Anti-gravity headpieces were assembled. This one might be my favorite. I love what they did with the fern to create this lacy look. Coats of roses were sewn. This deep V is definitely a red carpet look. Modern textures weave with palm leaves. Love this 1920s look. This one's fun and very springy. This has like a little Tinkerbell vibe, doesn't it? I love the movement that is being portrayed by the wings. And boots were covered with daisies. I really love peachy flowers. I think this is because also my mom's fave. It's a very big dress. It must weigh a ton with all those flowers. Oh my god, this dress is so elegant. Lunaria seeds turned into a shimmery and romantic wedding dress. Each design was truly amazing. If you want more information on Fleurs de Villes, links are in the description below. And if you live in Montreal or Toronto, they are coming to you guys next. Next was the outdoor garden displays. This one must have been the talk of the town. It has a pool, deck, and a waterfall. I loved the orchid display. It was put together by the Northwest Orchid Society. Seeing so many different varieties in bloom at the same time was such a treat. These guys look like they're trying to talk to me. Look at that big sack. I can see why there are so many avid orchid collectors with their beautiful colors and markings. And this one looks like it's blushing. I want to highlight Great Plant Picks as an awesome outdoor garden resource. It helped me select my outdoor plants. I'll put their link below. There was a great selection of outdoor decorations, many of which were made locally. A lot of these vendors I recognize from 2018. I love these giant bugs. There was a small selection geared towards houseplants, and it was nice to find some handmade pottery. There were only a few stalls focused on indoor plants. This must have been the most orchids I've seen for sale at one time. I didn't know where to focus. This stall was completely dedicated to geraniums. The one that smelled like juicy fruit gum was my favorite. I was really excited to find the Plant Farm booth. They are a nursery in Spokane, Washington, and had a unique selection of plants for sale. I ended up with 3 Australian Lisas, a baby Birkin, and a philodendron. There were a lot more outdoor garden vendors where you can find inspirations to create your dream garden, like this modern Zen look. I love the slats. Every year, they also have these balcony designs for apartment dwellers like myself. I love the vibe of this one with the different textiles. I really enjoyed the show this year. Let me know in the comments below which part was your favorite. If you'd like to learn more, check out the links below. Until next time, happy growing!